This time of year gets really stressful between all of the holiday parties and the gift ideas and trying to get everything ready for Christmas. So if you're looking for some Christmas ideas that are really simple and easy to do and won't break the bank, then here are some really great sentimental holiday gifts that you can give to family members or loved ones that they would very much enjoy. So first of all, we have holiday ornaments. There are a couple of different ways you can do this. The really easy way is just to take some instant photos, print them using an Instax printer or a Polaroid printer, put a little hole in it, put some string or a hook on it, and then you can give it to somebody to put on their Christmas tree. Now, if you're looking for cherished memories that people can keep up all year round, then creating some kind of photo book or memory book, or even some kind of photo collage with pictures of you and your friends or your family can also be a really easy do-it-yourself Christmas gift that you can give to somebody. I did this for a friend a couple of years ago where I just printed off some pictures of her with different people, and then I created a picture frame, took the glass out of it and put some string in it, and then I was able to clip all of the pictures on there so that they were really easy to take off and put on new ones as the time goes along and as she might want to change things out. Also, I really like the idea of even a photo book where if you have a lot more pictures and they won't all fit in this way, or you have a little bit more time, you can be extra creative with it by adding some paper, some glitter, some pens. You can write some different things around the pictures and really get more into a creative memories style scrapbook. Now, if you want to get a little bit more artsy and creative, you can also create really nice photo collages. You can make these with your instant photos by putting them together, putting something on the back to raise them up, and mounting them really nicely onto a mat board. It doesn't have to be a collage, of course. You can take these photos and put them just one by one on a piece of mat board or even in a frame under a mat board. I find these look really good. And if you, of course, want to check out more about mounting images, you can check out this video over here. Another really great idea for small gift ideas are photo magnets. They're really cute and decorative and easy to create. They don't take any time at all since you're not really decorating or doing much with them. All you're doing is adding some magnet to the back of them, and then you can wrap them up really nicely. You could add them to chocolate. All you really need are magnetic sheets and some images. There are even other ways of doing this, like if you wanted to buy picture frame magnets or something that you can buy off Amazon and what have you, you could use those instead. But I do like the look of the instant photos and just adding a magnet to the back. Now, if you want to go even more creative, I did a whole bunch of workshops on this last year. I was doing a lot of emulsion lift workshops. So you could really get even more creative by taking your images and printing them off with an Polaroid printer and then creating an emulsion lift with them using watercolor paper. This is something I really love. I did a whole bunch of these last year for Christmas gifts and my family loved them. I thought it was a really fun project. It was a little bit stressful, I will say, because sometimes Polaroid film can be a little bit fickle, and so trying to get the emulsion lift to come out right when you're under stress and a little bit of pressure is not always the easiest, but ultimately it is a really nice way to put a little extra thought and a little bit of extra creativity into the photos to give them that little artistic flair to them. And of course, if you're looking for more ways in order to do Polaroid emulsion lifts, I have a whole beginner's video all about how to do that I created, and you can check that out over here. Now, if you have a lot of people on your Christmas list and you want to do something that's nice but doesn't take a lot of time or energy, you could also create these really nice instant photography photo cards. These are super simple. All you really need are some photos. I think the Instax size are really easy to use because they're really the perfect size for holiday cards. You can put just some clear triangles on there, pop it in there. You could also just put the stickers on the back so that it goes directly onto it and won't come off. I do like the corners because then you have the option of being able to take the pictures out and do something else with them if you want to discard the card. It's also a great idea if you are giving a lot of presents such as gift cards or money for the holidays. You can just create this little extra personalized card to give and then put the money or the gift card inside, which is a really nice way to display it. So as you can see, Christmas presents don't have to break the bank. You don't have to spend a lot of money, but you can still give something really sentimental and meaningful from the heart that are easy to do. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to leave any thoughts or comments in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, be sure to share it or give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Erin, and happy holidays.